At its core, Mailchimp is known as an email marketing service. It allows businesses, creators, and organizations to design, send, and automate email campaigns. But over the past few years, Mailchimp has evolved far beyond just email. It's become a full-fledged marketing platform aimed particularly at small to medium-sized businesses that want professional-grade tools without needing a large tech team. The platform is known for its ease of use. You don't need to know how to code or be a designer to create professional emails. It provides customizable templates, drag and drop editing, and a user interface that's simple and intuitive, even for beginners. But for those who want more control, there are also advanced options for coding your own HTML, email templates, or integrating custom automations via API. Mailchimp also gives you data, like who opened your email, who clicked the links, and even what devices they used. That's super useful because you can figure out what kind of content your audience actually likes and tweak your future emails accordingly. And beyond email, it started to include things like social media, ad management, surveys, and even basic customer relationship tools. So while it's mainly famous for email marketing, it's evolved into this platform that small and medium businesses can use to handle most of their digital marketing in one place. So the most common use, and the one most people start with, is email campaigns. Let's say you run a small bakery. You could use Mailchimp to send a weekly email showing off your new pastries, seasonal offers, or holiday discounts. You can include photos, links, and even buttons that take people straight to your online store. The cool thing is you don't need to know any coding. It's all drag and drop. You pick a template, upload your logo, type your message, and it looks totally professional. Now, another major use is audience management, which basically means keeping track of everyone on your mailing list. Mailchimp stores your contacts in a database where you can organize them into groups or segments. For example, if you have one group of loyal customers who always buy, another group of people who just signed up, and another that hasn't engaged in a while, you can send different messages to each group. Mailchimp also lets you personalize your messages. Instead of sending a generic "hey there," you can have it automatically insert the person's first name, or even tailor the content based on what they've done before, like what products they've looked at or what emails they've opened. That kind of personal touch can make a massive difference in engagement. Automation is one of Mailchimp's strongest features. It means setting up email workflows that run by themselves. For example, let's say someone signs up for your newsletter. You can have Mailchimp automatically send them a welcome email right away. Then maybe another one a few days later introducing your brand story, and then another offering a discount code for their first purchase. Once you set it up, it just keeps running automatically for every new subscriber. Another use is tracking and analytics, which is super important because it helps you understand what's actually working. Mailchimp gives you detailed stats about every campaign you send, how many people opened your email, how many clicked on links, what time they opened it, and even what kind of device they used. Over time, you start to notice patterns, like maybe your audience opens emails more often on Fridays, or certain subject lines get better results. Another big use is building landing pages or mini websites. So maybe you're running a limited time sale or promoting a new product. Mailchimp lets you create a simple web page with images, sign-up forms, and call-to-action buttons. Even if you have zero web design experience, it's a super handy way to collect leads or promote something without needing a full website. Mailchimp also helps with sign-up forms and pop-ups. You can add these to your website or social media so that when people visit, they can subscribe easily. For example, a clothing store could have a little pop-up saying, "Get 10% off your first order." Sign up now. Mailchimp automatically adds those people to your audience list, so you can start engaging with them right away. Another use that's becoming more popular is social media marketing. Mailchimp now allows you to connect your Facebook, Instagram, and even Google accounts so you can create and manage ads from the same dashboard. That means you can run a campaign where someone clicks your Facebook ad, ends up on your Mailchimp landing page, and then automatically gets added to your email list. You can also use Mailchimp for surveys and feedback. If you want to find out what your audience thinks, maybe you're testing a new product idea or just want to measure customer satisfaction, you can send a survey right from Mailchimp. It automatically tracks who responded and compiles the data for you, which is awesome for getting insights without having to juggle multiple tools. Another underrated use is content scheduling. If you've got multiple campaigns going on, emails, social media posts, ads, Mailchimp helps you plan and schedule everything in one calendar view. It's great for keeping organized and making sure your messages go out at the right time without having to constantly remember or manually send them. Now, a slightly different but powerful use is branding and design. Because Mailchimp has built-in templates and design tools, you can keep a consistent look across all your marketing materials. That means your emails, landing pages, and even ads can all match your brand's colors, fonts, and style, which helps make your business look more polished and trustworthy. Mailchimp is also super useful for e-commerce businesses. It integrates with online stores like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy, so you can automatically send product recommendations, order confirmations, or follow-up emails after a purchase. Let's say someone buys shoes from your store, you could have Mailchimp automatically email them a week later suggesting socks or cleaning kits. It's a great way to increase repeat sales without manually chasing customers. And one more important use is building customer relationships over time. When you use it consistently, you're not just selling, you're creating a conversation with your audience. You can share updates, behind-the-scenes stories, tips, or even just say thank you over time. That builds trust and loyalty, which is what keeps people coming back. So to sum all that up, Mailchimp can be used for way more than just sending emails. It's a full digital marketing toolkit for creating campaigns, managing contacts, automating tasks, analyzing results, building web pages, running ads, collecting leads, and maintaining a strong connection with your audience. Mailchimp helps you look professional and stay organized while doing all your marketing in one place.